Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial, I'm going to teach you exactly step by step how you can reverse video clips using the Shotcut video editor. So let's get started. Now start by adding the video clip you would like to reverse to your library by uploading it from your device and by placing it on your timeline here on the video track, just like that. And all you need to do, guys, is left click on your video clip here on your timeline, head over to the video clip's properties, just like that. And after that, click on reverse here and choose whether you would like to have the good, better, or best quality, and also determine the file size, medium, large, or biggest. I will go with good quality and medium file size, so confirm by clicking on OK. Wait for the export job to be finished. You can see the progress here in the top right corner. So I'll see you guys just in a moment. And once it has done, guys, simply play your video clip in the preview mode. And there you go. As you can see, now it is in reverse, just like that. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.